As you can see, I will talk about introduction. Introduction is about mathematics is an important of managing the business. Number 2 is, for this assignment, we are required to gather the information of the production based on the real market that are related to our company type to apply mathematical calculation from business mathematics course. Our store name is HF Enterprise, which is sole proprietorship founded by Helena Hood binti Mohamad. It is located in Kuala Lumpur and established on 10 December 2017. There are 11 employees, include Puan Helena and his husband. There are 5 main departments, which are Department Marketing, Finance, Human Resources, Production and Designer. Because of the employees different between departments, so the wage and salary is different too. Also, the way calculate is different. Okay, so for this part, objective, we learn how to use and apply mathematics step into a real business. Number 2 is, we learn how to formula of business mathematics perfectly.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aida Nadhirah binti Khabil and my metric numbers is A19A0019. Okay, now I will explain about employees profile and calculation about payroll. Okay, this table is about employees profile. Okay, we have 11 works 11 employees, include managers, which is Helena Hood, and our regular hours is 14 hours per month, and just for assistant human resources, which is 35 hours, and also for managers production, which is they only 35 hours per month. Okay, next we go to overtime. Okay, overtime have our employees take 8 hours per day, which is our general manager and manager finance, and also 5 overtime hours, which is marketing managers, sales promotion, and managers human resources. Okay, and next for commission is just 400, which is for sales marketing. Okay, next is piecework earning, which is designer furniture 1 and furniture 2 gets 600. Okay, next we go through to payroll of sales promotion. Okay, so the hourly rate is RM6 and regular hours is 40 hours. Okay, so and the OT is 5 hours. Okay, so the formula is regular pay is hourly rate times number of hourly hours worked. So RM6 times 40 hours, and we will get RM240. Okay, and next for the commission, the sale achieved is she get RM2000, and the formula is total sales times commission rate, and RM2000 times 0.02, and we will get RM400. So the commission for the sales and promotion is RM400, and the commission rate is 2%. So we will go to gross pay and we will calculate. The formula is regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission plus piecework earning, which is RM240 plus RM45 plus RM400, and we will get RM645. So that is the gross pay for sales promotion. Okay, next we will go through to calculation payrolls for designer 1 and designer 2. Okay, this is have piecework earning. So we go to number 1 is regular pay. So the formula is hourly rate times number of hours worked. So RM 6 ringgit times 14 hours, and we will get RM 214. Okay, next is peers were earning. So they get 10 unit produced, and the formula for peers were earning is number of units produced times rate per unit, which is uh, 10, 10 units times RM 70. So we will get RM 700 for the unit produced per square earning. So we go through number 3 is gross pay, which is the formula is regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission plus peers were earning. So RM 240 plus RM 700 only, and we will get RM 940. Okay, that's all for my part.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nursayfaesyah binti Mohamad Sayful. My matrix number is A1980686, and I will explain the question 2, which is about the interest amount and the amount after the time given, and also create a promissory notes for the loan relative based on the table at the interest amount. So this is the table that given to us, and we already fill in it, which we estimate amount that we need to start the business is 50,000, and the future value of 50,000 because there's no interest rate. And for the loan from relative, we borrow 5,000 with interest rate 5.5% and in 24 months. So the interest amount we get is 550 because we take 5,000 amount that we borrow times with 5.5% of rate, and also for 24 months. So the answer is 550. Also same with bank, loan from bank, which is we borrow 100,000 with the interest rate is 7.5% compounded quarterly and in 5 years time period given. So we times it all, and the answer is 37,500 of interest amount. For the future value by our own is 50,000 because there's no interest rate given. And for the loan from relative, there's 5,550 because we just sum up the value that we borrow plus with interest amount, and there's the future value. For the loan from ABC, there's difference between with the loan from relative because the interest rate have been compounded quarterly, so the calculation is different, and the answer for it is 144,994 ringgit 80 cent of for the future value for the loan from bank. So the second is to create a promissory note for the loan from the relative based on the table 1 and to find the maturity value for it. So Encik Zainal is the payee for it because we loan from him, and Mohamad Izzat is the maker of the notes, and the maturity value is face value the future value sum up with the interest due, which is the final maturity value that found is 505,050 ringgit.
Assalamualaikum to madam. My name is Mohamad Izzat bin Mohamad Nawi, and my matrix is C19B0316. First table is the list of machinery and cost for each of machinery used by HF Enterprise. There are computer, printer and scanner, landline telephone, air conditioner and lorry. Then to construct a depreciation schedule using sum of year digit method, we choose lorry as the machine which costs 85,000. Scrap value is 21,250 and 5 years of depreciation. As a result, the value at year 5 of depreciation schedule was equal with the total depreciation, which is 63,750. Then for invoice machinery, the first date was paid on 9 of July 2020, which is 9 days within the discount period. So SHF Enterprise are not entitled for the 3% cash discount from the supplier B. After 3% cash deduction, we need to pay 82,450. For the second date, was paid on 22nd of July 2020. Unfortunately, we are not entitled for the cash discount because the invoice was paid 22 days after the invoice date. So supplier B will receive total amount 167,450 from HF Enterprise.
Hi, my name is Nurul Akma Roslan. So I will answer the question 4. Based on the bank loan that our company has identified in table 1, at 5.5% compounded semi-annually is to be amortized by 12 months. So the loan is 30,000 ringgit and also the balance 30,000 ringgit. So the rate is 0.038. So the monthly payment is 1,725.96. So we use interest paid method I multiple beginning balance, principal paid, payment monthly minus interest paid, and ending balance beginning balance minus principal paid. So for the first month, we get total interest paid is 414 ringgit. Okay, and then the second month we get 809.96. So for the third month we get 1,187.44. So and then we calculate until the month 12. So for the last month is we get 3,716.396. That's all. Thank you.
So 6.0 conclusion, we learn how to use and apply mathematics step into a real business, how to calculate employees' wage and salary. Next, as proof, we learn how to make a great promissory note from the relative owner. Last but not least, we as HF Enterprise, workers must calculate the monthly payment and construct an amortization schedule. Business mathematics is most important in business, same goes like account. This is because it can manage our daily activities in business. That's why we need to learn and understand it so we can apply into our daily life.